Good morning, everyone. Today we're going to learn how to make cupcakes. Look carefully at the shapes and lines I'm using. What shape do you think I need for my base? Now take a look at this line. What line am I using now? Here's some more lines that you might remember. Now it's time to make your frosting. I want you to make sure that you're looking carefully at every line I'm using. You made your line chart last week. You can use that line chart in case you forget which lines and shapes we're using. Now, time to make another cupcake. Use some of the same shapes and lines you've made before, but I'm going to change up a few things this time. Look at the way I'm making my frosting. What line am I using? Now it's time to add decorations. New lines are added. One of my favorite lines, in fact. Now, let's make our last cupcake. You ready? Repeat the last steps. Use any familiar shapes and lines that you know. Do you know what line this is?
So then, why?
Add your final details. Any designs and decorations that you didn't get a chance to add, now is the time to do so. Now, let's outline our artwork. Remember to always take your time. Go slowly and carefully. Art is never a race. Remember, slow and steady wins the race. Never rush. Outlining my final cupcake, almost done.
By creating an imaginary picture. Usually it's something that moves.
Make sure to outline all your details. Now, you can erase all your pencil lines. Miss Farrell does this to make sure her artwork looks nice and neat. You can do the same to make sure you erase any lines that you don't want. Now, my favorite part, time to color. Here's a great tip. Outline the edges first with whatever you're using to color, and then you can fill in your entire space. I'm going carefully around all the outside edges, and now I'm gonna quickly fill the rest of the spaces in. Use whatever colors you want. I like to use nice, bright colors to really make my cupcakes stand out. Remember to outline, just like I'm doing here, and then fill in the rest of the space.
It helps the speaker lead his audience into the scene he described. By
Make
creating
each
an
cupcake
imaginary
unique and different.
picture, visually, it's something that moves.
Try using different color combinations to make your artwork stand out. Remember, always take your time. Art takes patience and lots of practice to get better. Also, remember you can use whatever supplies you have at home. I'm using colored pencils, but if you have crayons or markers, those are great to use too.
So then, why?
Another tip, make sure that you color in the same direction. I am trying to carefully color all of my artwork in one simple direction so my artwork looks nice and neat.
It helps the speaker lead his audience into the scene he described. By creating
Aren't
an
these
imaginary
cupcake
picture,
treats making everyone hungry?
visually, it's something that moves.
I'm now adding more sprinkles to fill the spaces. I wanted to leave my frosting white this time because I wanted to make it look like vanilla.
So then, why?
Nearly done. Which is your favorite of the three? Now it's your turn, friends.